If you did not subscribe our channel yet, so please go to the subscribe button, red color, and click this. And if you want to get notification of each video, so select all here. So now you have subscribed our channel, you will get new video every time. Hello everyone. Today we are going to tell you about the cylinder, working of cylinder. There are the three, that five number of cylinder are you can see here. That one number, two number, and this number. That four number is the hydraulic cylinder, and this is the pneumatic cylinder. If we are going to learn about the machine, how to run the machine and how to start, and we want to make some project, so we should be knowledge about the cylinder. We have used this cylinder in our machine, and also we are using in latest machinery, and there are some difference in the cylinder. You can see that hydraulic cylinder is more powerful than if you compare to your pneumatic cylinder. We have already used that cylinder, so we will tell you here that what is the difference and how it will be work on the machine. First, we will take this pneumatic cylinder. You can see that one hole is here in this side. This is the throughout you can see here. So there are two functions. It will be work up and down when pressure will become. So that time you can see that it will become. So up, forward and backward, and also we can use that some chemical or some air we need to give the pressure in our anything for further requirement. So we can use this cylinder, and this is we will transparent first is this. Now we transparent into all pipe of cylinder. You can see one by one. Here that simple to stay two ways that pressure will come from one end, and you can use that we will show you here the red color, one inlet for front hosing, and this is the second back hosing. Pressure will come here to here this hole. Same, it will work when pressure come in through front hosing, so it will be go back, and when we will get the pressure from back hosing, so it will become forward. And also same here, that cylinder, there are the seal of, this is the piston seal, this is piston rod, and this is the seal will work to move this up and down, and this is the seal for your hold the pipe, that pressure when we will tight this hosing, there your pipe will be fixed on your hosing, so that pressure should not be stopped here. So seal will be here, so it will be stop the pressure. It will be as a seal, it will be work, so your hydraulic oil will not leak here. And when you can see that this is a very thickness, because we have put more pressure here. That pneumatic cylinder we used only in pneumatic cylinder 10 kg maximum 7 to 10 kg, but in hydraulic cylinder we need pressure 170 to 200 also we can use. So accordingly pressure, that what pressure we need, we design our cylinder. In our cylinder, that this is that same system will be same. Front hosing, you can see that pressure will come to here, and it will pressurize your this piston. It will go back, and when pressure will come from this, so it will be press here and it will be go back. So we use this cylinder in our machine, but we have to fix or design our manifold or our hydraulic system accordingly our requirement. What is this? That I will tell you. I will show you something. This is cylinder, that only one inlet for this. When pressure will come, pressure will press here, so it will be go front side, because here you can see that a gap is only 1 mm, and so pressure will come. So where it will go, because that inside the seal, I will show you again that seal inside here. This is the seal which will stop your pressure leakage in here. So all pressure will come to build on this shaft. So it will be go front side only. But when we need to back, so we need that our function, another function will should be work. So that time it can go upside. How it will work, we will show you. In rubber press, last time we show you rubber press, that this is the cylinder. the single cylinder, this is the only. That this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 blue color and the red color cylinder are same. You can see that only one inlet, that pressure will come here and it will be work up and down. When pressure will come from upside, it will be go downside. When our this cylinder, that down cylinder will work and press will go upside. So that time your pressure will be, you can release pressure from here, and we have to use the valve ABT point. Yeah, it means that ABT should be closed that time, open that time. So if suppose that we need to move that this press upside, so that time A or B pressure should be meet with T tank. It means that it should be drained. What oil have inside, it should be go to back in your tank. So we use this cylinder in our rubber press. Already we have used, I show you here. And this cylinder we use, we had used in our injection molding machine. You can see there that this is the hosing, front hosing. You can see that one seal and one stream. It will be stream means that it will be work as a guide. When pressure will come, so that time pressure, this seal will stop the pressure. So it will protect your to leak your hydraulic from your hosing or cylinder. So where cylinder will be moved front and on, there seal will be. If suppose that is the close point, no need here. If your rod will be go throughout, so that time need seal. How it will work? Again we will show. If you remember last time we told you about this machine. So that this is the cylinder. What cylinder? Same cylinder is this. That you can see this is the same cylinder of this machine. We had used this in this machine. So it will work. So that it will work. So your press will be to go up and forward and backward side when it will work. You can see that your press is moving this side, front side, to going to close, and also that one more cylinder here. This will work for two stroke, that forward and backward. Both point are here. One oil will come, so it will be go back side. When oil will come back side, so it will be go upside, front side. But in this cylinder, we are using one more cylinder here. So here that pipe is here. I will show you. You can see here. This is the cylinder. Only one part here. One time pressure will come. It is single stroke cylinder. Pressure will come, so it will be go forward side. But how it will work by backward side? We'll show. Now we have transparented this. You can see when pressure will come through this, it will come forward. Now injection has been completed. When and now after injection completed, it will be rotate. When rotate, so grain will be enter through this hooper in our barrel, this barrel. So when barrel will take the material, so that time screw will be rotate through this motor. So pressure that material will go on forward side. So it will be go back side when their pressure will be there. So it will be go back side because pressure. If we have to fix here one valve, like that ABT should be meet, should be pass. That when pressure will be built here, so that time pressure should be leaks from this point. If suppose this motor is coming rotating, but your material is coming, that time if this is stop, this is closed, so your screw barrel will not go backside. So ABT point should be meet. So it means when it will be all point will be closed ABT, so that time it will be work. This cylinder will work, otherwise not. So it will be go backside through your pressure of your material. So we have to use this cylinder here. So simple, cylinder will work through solenoid, and we design all of our power pack accordingly our function. What function we needed, so we will put their cylinder. So this is very important things, that what cylinder for heart purpose. So I think you understand. If have any confusion, so please give the comments. And if you think that you learn today something, so please like our video and give the comments. If something is, do you want to know that something is wrong, and do you want to know anything, so please like and share. Thank you very much.